Hi everyone, it's Nadia from YARNutopia. Excuse the way I look, I just have so much information to tell you today that I couldn't wait and put makeup on or anything. So bear with me, this video is going to be a little bit longer. Grab your crochet, grab your calendars, and let's get started. So I have like a million post-it notes right now because I'm going to start off by giving some information on some events that are going on in YARNutopia. I'm really excited. This month is going to be such a great month. It already is. And I have some projects on my hook and I have plans for everyone here. So make sure you join my group, YARNutopia World, on Facebook if you haven't already. The link is in the description of this video if you aren't a member already. There's so much fun stuff going on over there. So tomorrow is Thursday, March 12th. And I am actually going to be going live on video and answering all of your questions. Some of you saw my post yesterday, ask me anything. I'm giving you the opportunity to ask me anything crochet related, personal life related, just any type of question you may have for me, Nadia, and I am going to go live and answer your questions that have come in. So you can either leave me a comment to this video or you can go back to my graphic post. I posted an Ask Me Anything post yesterday, and you can leave a comment to that post asking me anything. I know somebody had asked me, like, how did Nate and I meet? So I can't wait to share with you our love story. Also, somebody was asking crochet questions about crocheting sleeves or crocheting gauge and things like that. So make sure to ask anything you want and I will try to answer all of your questions, or majority of them, and if I don't, I will comment back to you at a later time. So make sure to ask me anything. I am going live tomorrow, March 12th, at noon Central Time. If you miss it, no big deal. The video will be up and you will be able to watch later, but join me live for lunch and I will chat with you at that time. So like I said, you can ask me anything crochet related, family related, personal life, whatever. I'm totally cool with it. I'm going to answer some pretty deep questions. On to the next event. I'm really excited for the end of this month on March 29th. That is a Sunday. We are doing an all-day event in YARNutopia World's group on Facebook. We are getting funky with chunky yarn. I cannot wait for this project, for this event, because I will be releasing a crochet pattern. And on that day, on February 29th, you can join along with me and make the same pattern as me. I'm not going to tell you what it is, but it's very springy. Otherwise, I did share a bunch of links for inspiration on what you can make as well, all day on Sunday, February 29th. You don't have to be at the event all day. You can hop on. It's all virtual, so you can hop online, check in with us, crochet, go do, run your errands or go to your family events or whatever you have going on that day, but just make sure to check in with us. And if you are crocheting something with chunky yarn, share your projects in that event on that day. So all that information is in the event. If you go to YARNutopia World on Facebook, the group, go to the events tab and you will then see the Funky with Chunky Yarn event. And we are going to get real funky and just have a great day together using chunky yarn. Chunky yarn works up so fast, so I just did a one-day event for this project. And the project I am making, I'm going to be using this color. This is an Aran, like off-white color, and I have two options for yarn. So this color is blue, but I'm ordering Bernat Mega Bulky in the Aran color, and I'm going to be probably using 10 balls of yarn, only because I'll be using 2 strands at the same time, okay? So it is going to be extra chunky. So you can make the same project as me, or like I said, you can make your own project using chunky yarn. But these are the two options of yarn that I am giving you. If you want to make the same project as me, I'll be using 10 balls of either one of these, Red Heart Grande yarn in this Aran color, or Mega Bulky Bernat Mega Bulky yarn in the Aran color. Though I just have one ball of this blue color for an example, but I will be using an Aran color. You can use an oatmeal color, gray color, but really I like the Aran off-white color for this project. I'll be using polyfill as well, so you can kind of guess what it might be. But I'll be using polyfill, and I'll be using safety eyes, or you can crochet your eyes if you want to. So that is some of the supplies we'll be using. But you don't have to make the same thing as me. Like I said, this is a virtual event on February 29th, that's Sunday, and it's Let's Get Funky with Chunky Yarn. Go to YARNutopia World on Facebook in our group and check that out. Moving on to the next thing, the spring crochet pattern bundle. If you haven't gotten my email, I sent out a newsletter yesterday about this spring crochet pattern bundle. Nikki's Homemade Crafts, she is hosting this on her website. What you have to do is click the link in the description of this video to go to the spring crochet pattern bundle. You will see all the patterns that are in this bundle. This is such an awesome thing that Nikki has put together for everybody. There are over $200 worth of crochet patterns in this download. Okay, so it's a digital download. You just have to purchase it, and it's over $200 worth, but literally you're only paying 19 bucks. Like, how cheap? $19, and you just get all of these crochet patterns. There are so many different crochet patterns. My Spring Sun Mandala Vest is one of the crochet patterns that you'll be getting. Plus, there's patterns for, let me get the list of people, because there's so many designers in here. Creation Crochet, Lorene, you know her. Brianna K Designs, you know her. The Purple Poncho, Melodora's Creations, Crochet 365 Knit 2, Crochet Kim, New Wool, who actually has a beautiful wrap on there. There's like wraps, there's shawls, there's, oh my gosh. Knitting with Chopsticks, love her designs, and obviously Nikki's Homemade Crafts. She is the one who's making this haul possible for everybody. Just check out the link in the description of this video to go to the Spring Crochet Pattern Bundle. And if you have any questions about it, leave me a comment and I will answer all the questions for you. The last day to purchase this is this Friday the 13th. Friday the 13th is the last day to purchase this, and then once it's gone forever. So you should jump on it today or by Friday and get this pattern bundle. Like I said, you're getting $200 worth of crochet patterns. All the prices are listed on there. You'll see, but you're getting all of it for just $19. So make sure you click that, download it. I mean, there's shawls, there's wraps, there's blankets, there's amigurumis, there's headbands, there's so much more. So make sure you just check it out. Just click it, check it out. If you're not interested, you don't have to worry about it, but just click the link, check it out. If you like it, if you want some of those patterns, it is so worth it. That's $19. If you were paying retail, you would only get like 3 patterns. Okay, but in this you're getting like 40 patterns or something ridiculous. You have to go check it out and see what the patterns are. And my Spring Sun Mandala Vest is one of them that you are getting in this bundle, so pretty sweet. And then it'll be a PDF download. You'll be able to download all the patterns into your device, keep them forever. And I do believe there's bonuses too for courses and things like that. You'll have to check out the link and see what's up. So check that out and get that pattern bundle. That is so fun because it is all like springy, and like spring is coming here. I live in Wisconsin and it has been so cold, but we got a taste of spring the other day. It was like 60 degrees. We were out walking, enjoying the sunshine, and now it's raining today. So, but it's coming. Spring is coming, and I'm really enjoying the weather change and the time change with the days getting longer. It just feels so much better. Spring and summer are like the best, but fall is my favorite season of all. So anyway, last thing that I want to talk about today is this Friday, the 13th. First of all, Nasser is 9 months old. I would bring him in here, but he's napping right now to allow me to videotape here. So next time I will bring him in here. You guys can see how big he is. If you want to see more about Nasser, you can follow me on Snapchat. I am YARNutopia on Snapchat, and I snap him all the time. You can see how big he's getting. He's a little boy. He's so cute. And his smile and his laugh is just so contagious. He is such a good baby. So he's napping right now, but I promise I'll show him. And if you follow me on Snapchat, you'll see him all the time. But this Friday the 13th, he is 9 months old, and Friday is gonna be Free Pattern Friday. So I'm really excited to send out the email with a free crochet pattern in my newsletter. So make sure you've joined my newsletter. The link is in the description of this video, and you'll be able to get the Free Pattern Friday. It's super springy, it's cute, and I'll shoot that out to everybody on my newsletter list on Friday. And you'll be able to get this pattern then for 24 hours. You'll be able to download it for free. But then after the 24 hours is up, that is no longer going to be free. I mean, it's free on my website, but the PDF download will be free. If you've been getting my Free Pattern Friday emails, you know what I mean. So thanks to everybody for watching. If you made it this far, I know that was a lot of information. You can rewind this and check out the dates and put them on your calendar. And I will see you tomorrow live for the Q&A. I will see you on the 29th for our Funky with Chunky Yarn event. And make sure to get that spring crochet pattern bundle from Nikki's Homemade Crafts. That link is in the description of this video. And wait till Friday to get the Free Pattern Friday newsletter. And if you haven't signed up with my newsletter yet, make sure you do that. All right, have a great weekend. Have a great rest of your week. And until next Wednesday, happy hooking!